Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle brine solution. We will cover the essential ingredients, the simple mixing process, and some helpful tips for achieving delicious results every time. Making your own brine is a fantastic way to preserve fresh produce and add incredible flavor to your meals. It is a very rewarding and easy culinary skill to master, requiring just a few common kitchen staples. For your brine, you will typically use a ratio of 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. White vinegar or apple cider vinegar are excellent choices. Next, salt is vital. Use pickling salt or kosher salt, about 1 tablespoon per cup of liquid. A teaspoon of sugar can mellow the tartness. Finally, customize with spices such as dill seeds, mustard seeds, garlic cloves, or red pepper flakes for a unique flavor profile. To prepare your brine, combine the measured water, vinegar, salt, and any sugar in a non-reactive saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring frequently, until all the salt and sugar crystals have fully dissolved. This usually takes only a few minutes. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This step is important before adding it to your fresh produce. For the most delicious pickles, always start with the freshest, highest quality produce available. Make sure your canning jars and lids are meticulously clean and sterilized to ensure food safety and prevent spoilage. When packing your jars, ensure all vegetables are completely covered by the brine. This prevents air exposure and keeps them crisp. Store your homemade pickles in a cool, dark pantry or refrigerator for several weeks or even months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.